Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing the quarter four earnings for your favorite store, Costco. Just going beyond the numbers, it managed to top analyst forecasts, even in the face of intense competition, inflation pressures, and shifting consumer behavior. People are cutting back, people are getting their jobs lost, not getting hired. Let's dive into it. Key numbers, year-over-year changes. Quarterly revenue came in at 86 billion, up from 79 billion last year, up 8%, above Wall Street forecasts. Net income came in at 2.61 billion for quarter four, compared with 2.35 billion a year ago, up 11% year over year. EPS 587 per share, up from 529 last year, and better than estimates. Same store sales growth, something that you want to focus on for restaurants and retail, is same store sales growth. 6.4% for quarter four. US saw 6%, Canada led with 8.3%, and then international sales were up 7.2%. Full year earnings, 18.21 per share, up from 16.56, up 10%, and annual revenue hit 275 billion. Wow, $250 billion. That's great. Membership fees jumped 14% as more shoppers upgraded to executive memberships. Don't have that number, but it jumped 14%. Earnings call highlights. E-commerce sales up 15%, totaling 19.6 billion for the year. And I think that's a big opportunity for Costco to really expand, showing Costco's digital investments are paying off. The company opened 27 new warehouses this year and plans to ramp up expansion to 35 more next year, signaling growth opportunities ahead and investing in its business. You always want to see companies that are constantly investing in the company. That's a strong sign, and I don't see Costco going anywhere. Exclusive shopping hours for executive members boosted U.S. sales since launch. Kirkland Signature, its private label brand, continues to drive volume and loyalty, helping shoppers stretch their budgets in an inflationary world. The good top-line growth beat forecasts in a tough retail landscape. If you look, a lot of the retail stocks are down pretty big right now, and who knows when we're going to get a turnaround. Strong membership trends, especially upgrades, push recurring revenue and stability. Digital and e-commerce growth is some highlights for this earnings call. Far outpacing the traditional rivals. Expansion plans for Costco isn't slowing down. I think that was the highlights for me, the e-commerce and digital growth, and then expansion plans. That's really, really great. I want to look into it a little bit more, see where those expansion plans are located, because I want to see international growth for this company. The bad, U.S. same-store sales just missed estimates, and margins remain flat as costs like wages and liability charges tick up. Membership renewal rates slip due to new online signups, which tend to renew less reliably. And competition is fierce, especially from Sam's Club and Walmart, which are also expanding aggressively. So that's something to watch, because Walmart has been doing pretty well with the Walmart Plus. The ugly, rising SG&A expenses could eat into profits, and inflation isn't going away soon. So we do have the inflation risks that could come up any time now with the tariffs, but kind of got to wait that one out. Slowdown in some discretionary categories as consumers tighten spending further. Some of the risks, as mentioned, flat margins, rising expenses, memberships renewal is critical. Any continued slowing could impact for future results. Opportunities, Ongoing expansion, new warehouse openings, continued e-commerce innovation, Costco's growing brand loyalty, and value-focused position. Costco continues to prove it's a value proposition in turbulent times. Company you can definitely stick with in a recession and in tough times. That's why I own Costco personally. They deliver strong earnings and steady growth, but it's not without challenges. No business is without the challenges, especially as expenses climb for all businesses and rivals fight for the same customers. Thanks for watching. Today we broke down Q4 earnings for Costco. If you want to tune in for more breakdowns for any stock, let me know in the comments. This is Stock Brock. Peace out.